Guys, do you want to allow everyone to tag you on Instagram? You have just set it to your followings, or you have just disabled it and you want to people that they tag you on their stories or comments or whatever. So I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section. In the profile section, just simply tap on the three lines at the top right and go to settings and privacy option. In settings and privacy, scroll a little bit until you get the option of tags and mentions. Just simply tap on that option, and then here you can see who can tag you. It is set it to followings only, and if you want to set it to everyone, just simply tap on allow tags from everyone. So that's how you can easily allow everyone to tag you on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more.